Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to send messages to the Payoneer support team for any issues or problems related to your account. Please watch the video to the end because I will guide you through the full process step by step in this video. So let's get started. First of all, you have to come Payoneer support center and then you have to select it second option out of these three options, okay? And then you have to scroll down and then you will see a form here you have to fill up, okay? So let me write here my first name and then last name, an email address, and then topic. Topic is the most important section for sending message to Payoneer support team. So you have to select it, this topic section perfectly, okay? Because if you don't select it the right section, you can send messages to Payoneer support team, okay? So let's see how do I selected this topic section. So go to topic and then selected my account section here and then again selected my account section. Then you can see here the login and security issues. So you have to select it or click this left side arrow button, then select it your main problem or issues. So this video I'll show you how to unlock your Payoneer account. So you have to select it this section, my account is locked, okay? So press this section and then about section. You have to describe your main problem or issues about your account. After that, you have to select it file here. When you try to log in your Payoneer account, you will see a pop-up on your phone. Then you can take a screenshot with that pop-up and then you can attach file here. And then you have to select it I am not a robot and then you can submit your all information to Payoneer support team. So if you like this my video, please subscribe my channel to getting more videos like this in future. Thank you. See you soon in the next video.